Hi, I thought I would record a little welcome video to my channel. I am a colorist and I'm a coloring book designer. And what I've noticed is that there's a lot of people out there that don't even know what grayscale is. So I'd like to describe that, to show it to you. And provide tutorials and basically answer questions. People are looking and searching in YouTube and can't find stuff. And I finally figured out that I'll just provide it on my own channel myself so that to help people that are struggling or that just are curious, like, what is it? A colorist is somebody that colors in a coloring book. And some people do it with colored pencil, and then some people are adventurous and use other mediums. And so we'll be exploring some of those things here on my channel, Coloring Grayscale, with Lynn Thomas, or Grayscale Coloring with Lynn Thomas, whichever one I picked. I can't remember. I'm an old gal. I live in Illinois with my dog, and I like to color. I'm retired. I have some time on my hands, and I find coloring a very emotional, kind of like a retreat, I guess you could say, kind of like a little mini vacation, a little quiet time with my creative mind, and it's very refreshing. So, welcome, and you should be expecting more from me in the coming weeks. See ya. Grayscale Coloring with Lynn Thomas. What's it about? Great question. Well, learning, experimenting, discovering, practicing, mastering. I'd like to answer the question, what is grayscale, for people that don't know? I'd like to show you how to color grayscale images with tutorials, how to color flowers. A lot of people don't know that. How to color skin tones. That is a big challenge for some people. How to color skies and clouds. I've had that request. Using the color original as your guide. But then if you're using vintage images, what if there is no color original? And playing with other media. I'd like to show some of that and other requested subjects from colorists in my group and people who are visiting my channel. I want to welcome you all to my channel, and I plan on doing a lot here.